Welcome back, everyone. This is Thomas, Triple T Tie, with another new bullish crypto analysis. Let's dig in and take a look at the crypto and stock markets around the world. First, we have the stock market. This is not the stock market. This is the crypto market heat map from CoinMarketCap. Overall, green. That's fantastic. Bitcoin moved up from high 38s to 39s here, and it's been bouncing here. And Ethereum, all the major cryptos are green. This is strange. That was Luna before. Where did Luna go? Sad. Anyways, overall green for the um, crypto market. Let's go to the stock market in the US. We have a mix of greens and reds. I would say about half and half. Let's take a look where the greens are. We have communication services, specifically internet content information, Google, Facebook, Snap, Dash, etc. Entertainment, we have Disney, Netflix. Netflix is up pretty. They have a nice increase here. Let's see. We have internet retail, Baba, JD, and we have some little ones here. Big sector in energy, it's green. That's we have some software in this section right here. Not the big guys, not like Adobe, Microsoft, Oracle, but the little guys. We got down here in software applications, we also have greens there. We have financials, the big banks right here. JP Morgan, not as green. Wells Fargo is greener. HSBC is greener. So financial strong. We have credit services. That's also strong. So overall, about half and half. It's not a bad day. Some of these companies will report earnings this week. So something to keep your attention on. And let's go to something. Oh, that's not what we want. That's what we want. Here we go. This is the US stock market. On top, we have Bitcoin. And Bitcoin has been climbing here since market open, but it's kind of consolidating in the current candle. This is TradingView, 30-minute time frame. The left green vertical lines represent the previous market opening, and the right vertical green lines represent the current market opening at around 6:30 Pacific Standard Time here. So Bitcoin's been climbing up. What you want to pay attention to is down here in the Dixie. Dixie has been climbing up since late yesterday and in this market opening. So if that's climbing up and this is climbing up, guess what? Bitcoin will usually correct sooner or later. And in my tweet and video last night, I mentioned it is a potential bull trap and price could fall. So this usually these two, Dixie and Bitcoin, have a negative correlation. The fact that they're moving together after market opening, that is something to pay close attention to. The 10-year U.S. bonds, it's been dropping since late yesterday, and it's starting to pick back up again. But overall, you can see that in the last few days, it's overall trending. The bond market is going up. And if people are shifting to bond, I'm not so sure that, risk on assets like Bitcoin will be able to sustain its movements. Nasdaq since yesterday has been climbing steadily, slowly. You see that curve right there? And you can see here Nasdaq in this chart here, since opening, it's in the red, but you got to look at the overall trend. How is it doing? Since opening today, it's dropped a little bit, but overall trend is that it's slowly increasing, but a very slow incline. Something to keep an eye on. Likewise, with the S&P 500, it has a similar trajectory. And you can see here, S&P 500, same thing. It's negative since market opening today. But don't just look at that. Look at the overall. What is the trend in the last day or two or week? Take a look at that. Will give you a better target. The Dow opened and then it dropped. So I'm not sure. Now here we go. It's currently 0.01% over market opening, but compared to like 24 hours ago, it's up higher. You see that? So these numbers here, the percentage since opening, that's short time. So look at trends. Let's go to the other markets. Again, Bitcoin's on upper left corner. Down here, we have the CAC index from France. And since yesterday, it went up. You see how it's choppy back here? Choppy, and then it went up. So it's at its most recent high in the last, several days. So that's good. And then it dropped here and went back up. So overall, it's trending up. That's good. On the DAX index from Germany, last few days, it's also trending up. It's got a very similar pattern to the CAC from France here. See that? Very similar. It's almost identical. Weird. Yeah, it's like literally almost identical. So that's good. And if you look at how Bitcoin is trending, it's also trending similarly to Bitcoin going up. Cool. The UK 100 index, we have a slight increase. Remember, it was here, dipped down, but and it's slowly trending up, but it hasn't gone above its previous high from this time range, unlike the one from France, and the one from Germany. Here's the recent high, and then they broke above that. Here, the recent high is here. They still haven't broke back above it. So UK 100 index, you can do it. Just keep going. All right, let's take a look at the next one. This one is Asia and Australia, and also the Stocks 600. So upper left, we have Bitcoin. Right below it, we have the Stocks, STOXX 600. And in the since 24 hours ago, it's been trending up slowly. And then, since market opening today, it's been going sideways. Again, the Stocks 600 is an index of 600 companies worldwide and across 7 countries. So it's doing all right. It's just like slight increase from the last few days. The down below that, we have the Hang Seng index from Hong Kong. Well, it hasn't changed much. Actually, I don't think their markets might be closed, because this was where I marked it yesterday, and it hasn't moved. So it could be because of New Year. I'm not sure. KOSPI index from South Korea, same thing as the Hang Seng index. I haven't seen any candles printed here, so they might be closed too for Lunar New Year. And happy Lunar New Year to all of you out there. Remember, those little red envelopes. Put some money in there and gift it to, better yet, crypto. To your loved ones. This is the SPDR S&P from Australia. What has it been doing? It's been slowly climbing up, but more horizontal. But it is climbing up, so that's good. It's like tiny. Below that, we have the Nikkei from Japan. It went up since we last talked about it, and then it went down. So not much happening here. But overall, if you take a look at the last period, it's on an upward trajectory. So that's positive. So that's pretty much how the stock markets around the world compare to Bitcoin. I appreciate you joining me today. Remember, if you're watching this on Twitter, please remember to always pop out your YouTube to your YouTube app, and then leave a comment, like, hit subscribe, and smash the like. Thanks. See you in the next video today.